I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes me.
Welcome guys to Shell's Time Kitchen Flavor. Today I'll be making some homemade ice cream. I added my bowl and the mixing thing that goes in the bowl in my freezer for 30 minutes. I added heavy whipping cream and also my tin condensed milk in the freezer for 15 minutes. Now I'm ready to start prepping this. You want to make sure that your bowl and the mixture remains at the temperature which is coldest. I added in 2 tablespoons sugar. I used 3/4 of tin condensed milk for sweetener. I added all this to my heavy whipping cream. I started to beat this on slow and then I gradually increased to medium. This took 9 minutes to form or to reach the level that I wanted it to reach to. I added a little hint of salt in it and a little vanilla because I am doing one with Oreo and one with vanilla. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Even if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, don't be mean with it. Please give your girl a like. This is beaten and you see it is forming. It is still cold. This is the second time your girl trying, and listen, I was successful the second time. The first time I left it for too long, so the temperature dropped and it did not come out as I wanted it to. So here goes the second time around. It's even better. Once this is done, I had already crushed some Oreo. I added some of this into a tin, and then I'll add some Oreos which I'll mix in, and then I will add saran wrap on this. I'll make sure to wrap tightly to make sure no air bubble goes in. And then I will add in my freezer. I will tell you at the end of this video how long it took me to have it in the ice cream form that I wanted it. Feel free, you don't have to do Oreo. Feel free to also exempt tin milk if you want to use whatever sweetener you choose. Once I made sure everything was flat in the pan, I added additional Oreo on top because this is Oreo ice cream. Yes. And then I'll just do one plain for persons who probably don't want the Oreo in it. I'll do just a little small jar with just plain vanilla in it. You too can try this recipe. It's not hard, and if you don't have an industrial mixer, you can get a hand mixer. The hand mixer will also work. This ice cream, no additives, no preservatives except what they add in that heavy whipping cream. Once I added that to my freezer, then I scooped whatever else I had left for the vanilla flavor one. And listen, I'll show you this. Do this for your kids. Do this for your family. The ingredients are really, really cheap. Ice cream under $5. And you can have this in your home, done by you. Put your signature on it. Yes, I'm showing you how to make your own homemade ice cream. Hey guys, so this is the next morning. I checked on my ice cream. I left this overnight, and listen, your girl got this. Could not find my ice cream scoop, so I had to use a spoon. Listen, it's early morning, but I tasted my ice cream and it tasted lit. It tasted really, really good. You too can try this. You will see when I finish. I had a cone and I added some of my Oreo ice cream on the cone, and there goes the vanilla. Thank you for stopping by, guys. You need to try this recipe for yourself too, for your kids in the summer.